Friends, a major global shift is currently underway. Yes, nowadays the fuel prices are rising and the pollution is on the increase, and governments are gradually nudging people toward cleaner energy. And according to industry estimates, energy demand may increase significantly in the coming years worldwide. This presents a potential opportunity for entrepreneurs to launch new alternative fuel businesses. Moreover, as the government is currently actively promoting clean energy initiatives, the future prospects of this sector appear even more promising. Therefore, if you are considering starting something new, it can be a good opportunity if market conditions and regulations are suitable in your area. Today in this video, we are going to show you 8 alternative fuel businesses that are currently in high demand. However, friends, this video is only for educational and informational purposes. Furthermore, these businesses may require significant investment as well as strict government regulations or environmental clearances. Therefore, always conduct your own independent research before starting a business. So watch the full video and let us know in the comment box which of these manufacturing industries is your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Come on, let's get started. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Biodiesel Production. Biodiesel is produced from used vegetable oils, yellow grease or animal fats. Currently, hotels and restaurants simply discard this oil as waste. Consequently, this waste oil can be collected and converted into fuel at a very low cost. Furthermore, as trucks and generators can easily utilize this fuel, the demand has also been increasing in some regions. In some regions, government incentives or policies may support this sector. Also, the initial cost of launching this business venture will be somewhat high, and its performance depends on a consistent supply of raw materials, cost control and market demand. The business may perform better in areas where waste oil is readily available. Number 2. Briquette Fuel Production. Briquettes are solid fuel blocks produced from agricultural waste such as sawdust and rice husks through a process involving crushing, drying and high-pressure compaction. These serve as a substitute for coal in industries, hotels, and even small-scale enterprises. The raw materials are inexpensive and readily available in rural areas, but the cost of the machinery varies depending on its efficiency. As industries increasingly seek out cost-effective fuel alternatives, the demand for briquettes is on the rise in some regions. Therefore, this stands as relatively easier compared to other fuel businesses to establish in rural regions, but still requires planning and compliance. Number 3. Biogas Plant Business. Biogas is made from cow dung, food waste and organic waste, and it can be used for cooking and electricity. Yes, friends, these small plants can be installed in villages, farms and even homes. Also, government subsidies are sometimes available, which reduces investment. So you can start a business by setting up plants or selling gas locally. Once this facility is properly established, its maintenance is quite simple. This enterprise may work well in locations where organic waste is consistently available on a daily basis. Number 4. Small-scale ethanol production. Bioethanol is derived from crop residues such as rice straw and corn cobs. Today, it is blended with petrol and its demand is growing rapidly due to the government's blending policies. As one of the alternative fuel sources, ethanol stands as a primary biofuel. Therefore, establishing an ethanol production business can be considered depending on regulations and investment capacity. However, while large-scale plants require substantial investment, numerous opportunities within smaller supply chains are emerging today. So you can collaborate with these organizations or partner with local production units. The market is expanding annually, and this industry has potential for long-term growth depending on policy and market conditions. Number 5. Wood pellet production business. Wood pellets are small, compressed fuel pellets produced from agricultural and wood paste, and they are commonly utilized in boilers and heating systems within small-scale industries. Moreover, as they burn more cleanly than coal, many industrial facilities are currently transitioning to the use of these pellets. Also, raw materials such as agricultural residues and sawdust are readily available in rural areas today, and machinery suitable for various production scales is available at affordable price points. So if you establish a robust and reliable supply chain, this represents a business venture that may offer expansion opportunities if demand and operations are managed effectively. Number 6. Charcoal from coconut shell. Coconut shell charcoal is used as fuel and also exported for barbecue and industrial use. The production process is simple and low cost. Also, the raw material is easily available in South India. And in today's environment where the market for clean energy and sustainable materials is growing day by day, the coconut shell charcoal business is being explored as a business option in some regions for new entrepreneurs and enterprises. So you can start small and grow slowly, especially since this is a very practical business for rural and semi-urban areas. Number 7. Compressed biogas, CBG. CBG or compressed biogas can be considered an alternative fuel to natural gas. It can be defined as an alternative fuel that is produced from organic wastes. Additionally, the government has been offering support to this industry, which has been beneficial to entities like rural areas and dairy farmers. Although the capital investment in this industry is quite high, it can not only alleviate the financial burden associated with liquid fuels, but also generate additional revenue and create employment opportunities. Moreover, the gas produced can be sold to fuel stations or used to fulfill transportation needs. This can be considered a future business idea depending on infrastructure and policy support. Number 8. Converting plastic into fuel. This industry utilizes machinery to transform waste plastic into fuels such as diesel and oil. Plastic waste availability is high, but collection, sorting, and legal compliance can be challenging. Moreover, despite the existence of the necessary technology, establishing this business requires a proper organizational framework as well as requisite permits from the government. Furthermore, setting up even a small-scale production facility may require a moderate level of capital investment. If you establish the venture with the appropriate infrastructure, you can subsequently sell the produced fuel to various factories and industrial plants. This industry is being explored, but it requires careful planning and strict compliance. So friends, these are not merely ideas, these are 8 fuel-based businesses that are being used in various industries, though demand varies by region. However, please keep one thing in mind. As we mentioned earlier, this video is only for educational and informational purposes. Also, none of these businesses guarantee profit, and all involve financial, operational, and regulatory risks. Furthermore, business success and the resulting outcomes may vary depending on your location, investment capital, skills, and execution strategy. Therefore, before launching any business, conduct thorough research and if possible, start on a small scale. All the businesses listed above are part of the industry. So if you want more information about these businesses, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.